How this plays out in financial centres like London and New York, well away from Europe, is crucial in this. Let's cross to Joshua Raymond. He's the Chief Market Strategist for City Index, right in the heart of the City of London. Joshua, good morning to you. Of course, we've been here before, certainly in the last 2 or 3 years, with this whole concept of a Tobin tax. And every time the stumbling block has been that the US and the UK won't really sign up to it. Does that mean that these sort of financial centres will look a lot more attractive now for companies perhaps like HSBC, who've made noises in the past, and fairly recently in fact, about maybe relocating from the UK?
Well, potentially, and it's not just necessarily the prospect of a financial tax, it's also the prospect of stricter regulations as well, and also the tax advantages for their employees that are based locally in those regions as well. So there's a number of factors, but it's another thing that, to be honest with you, the city doesn't want here, and it's beating the old drum that they raised in September last year. It didn't work out then, and I think there's a lot of antipathy already and questions about whether it could work out now too.
Do you think that there's any prospect at all of the UK government getting behind it? I mean, I suppose it could be an opportunity for the coalition to resurrect some kind of tax on banks.
It could be. I mean, I think the mutterings that we've heard over the last sort of 3 or 4 months or so would indicate not. And I think we wouldn't probably be alone here in the UK in sort of being against this sort of thing. It's something that obviously France and Germany have come together about, but I mean, we don't know really any details about this. We don't know whether it would be a tax on where the trades originate or whether it be the exchanges that are hit most. I think there's a lot of uncertainty, and we don't really know too much about this apart from the headline, which, to be honest with you, I think there's already a lot of antipathy towards across Europe and globally as a whole.